Good afternoon, guys. Hope you're well. Just doing a Sunday analysis of NAS for the week ahead. Doing a top-down analysis, so meaning don't have anything on the charts. I'm gonna draw all my zones in as we go, and you guys can also draw it in on your own charts if you want to. Okay, so this is the daily chart. So looking at the daily chart, we can see that it looks like we are turning bearish. So it looks like we want to go down more. And the reason I'm saying that now, we did find support at the 200 level. So that would be this level right there. Okay, so we found support there. But I am expecting another move or impulse to the downside to come and retest that zone. I don't think we're done yet. But saying that, going on to the 4 hour, I am looking for buys as well. And I'm looking for buys in this zone right here. Okay, right there. That's where I would be looking for buys, but it's still quite a few hours away if the market opens on Monday. So up until then, I am also still looking for sells, and the reason I'm looking for sells is going down on the 1 hour. We can see that we had a very big impulse move on Friday. So this impulse to the downside just tells me the bullish candles that we can see now is only a correction. So I am looking for buys and for sells, and I'm looking for sells on my fib level 61.8 right there. Yeah, that also confluences with the breakout candle where the most volume and orders were. So perfect. So right there. So that's why I'm going to look for my selling opportunities. So if market open, we'll see what happens, and then I'll look for sells in that zone right there. And yeah, if it breaks through there, obviously it can go higher. And there's another trend line that I want you guys to focus on as well, going down. And it's literally this one right here. So the most recent two touches. Okay, so looking at that, we might have a breakout as well. It's not impossible, but I think it's highly unlikely. I think we're gonna have a bigger pullback first and create a lower high formation. Not a lower high, higher low formation. So we might create that lower high formation in my box zone drawn just below there. So if we can get that in there, then we can expect a buy from there. But we can still catch a lot of pips to the downside just by looking at this. Let's say we go from here, we go into the zone, then we drop down into our zone. Now then we might still have some rejections on top here, rejecting the trend line maybe again, and then maybe finding another entry to our position, and then hopefully we can break through. And if we can get that breakthrough, then I want to hold this trade for as long as I can. Obviously, I'm going to take some positions off the table as we go, and add positions as well. If I see very bullish pressure, I'll add positions, but I want to take it up to at least almost all-time highs, because I think we can definitely reach at least 13,600. So that's quite a lot of pips. If you can catch that type of pips, you see only with one position you're gonna make 10,000 pips. So I mean, I'll hold that thing for 2 weeks, and it will still be worth it for me if we can reach that level with one position, 10,000 pips. That's a lot of pips with one position. With a $100 account with a 0.01 lot, like that's the smallest lot size you can trade, you're still gonna make $100 with this one position and one trade. And now if you open up two or three positions, you can literally double or triple your account with a trade like this, and you can even add as you go along and take profits as you go. But yeah, it's opportunity. So the other option again is we might go a bit lower, but then we're just going to react to that. So from here we can go down all the way to this level here and maybe bounce around here for a little bit. It's not impossible, but I don't think we're going to go lower than that. If we do, then the whole bias is going to be very bearish again, and then we're going to just look for sell setups. But for now, I'm still pretty optimistic that we're going to go up further. And yeah, we'll see what happens in the next week. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the Sunday analysis of NAS and the pre analysis of NAS actually for the week ahead. And yeah, let's see what happens. I hope you guys enjoyed the weekend. You're well rested and hope you're ready for the weekend. Okay, guys. Cheers. Bye.